Today I will tell you that if you want to learn English, you are thinking that I have to learn English. I am learning English, but I have no any practice partner to practice. How can I improve my English language? Because English comes to speak, but I have no any environment. I have no any practice partner. Can you help me? How can I improve my English language? How can I practice at home? So my dear friends, I want to tell you, if you are alone and if you want to practice but you don't have any practice partner, then how can you practice at home? We have this question. So my dear friends, I want to tell you, even if you don't have any practice partner, but if you want to improve your English language, then what you have to do, if you want to know, then you have to watch this video till then, because today I will tell you that how can you improve your English language. Because until you speak English, until you practice, you cannot improve your English language. If you have to improve your English language, then you will have to practice, because practice makes a perfect person. With the help of practice, you can improve your English language, but you have no any practice partner. Don't worry, my friends. I want to tell you that if you want to improve your English language, then what you have to do, you have to choose one topic. What you have to do, you have to choose one topic, and after that you have to describe on your words. Yes, when you will describe on your words, then your mind will support you on which words you have to use. Yes, and after that, when you will practice regular continuously, then after that your mind will support you. Even if you will speak, even if you don't have any practice partner, but you will do this, and in this way you can improve your English language. Yes, and after that your mind will support you how to describe the words, how to describe the topic. When we will start describing the topic, and after that definitely we can speak before the person, we can speak in front of people, and after that we will not hesitate. So what you have to do, you have to describe one topic daily, and when you will do some days, then after some time you will notice you have more vocab, and you can speak English among the people. You will not hesitate, you will not feel nervous. But when you will not describe the topic, then your mind will not ready to practice, ready to speak. And when you will speak among the people, then you will start fumbling, you will start hesitate, and after that you cannot not speak before the person. But when you will describe daily one topic, then your mind will start thinking, and according to your need, your mind supply the words, yes, words meaning, and you can speak very easy. You will not fumble, you will not feel fumble. Don't worry, you have to do this. In this way you can improve your English language. And even if you don't have any practice partner, but you have to try to describe. And secondly, you have to speak in front of mirror, because when you will speak in front of mirror, then you can check over your fear, and your mind will start. Because when we start speaking before the person, our mind does not support us. But don't worry, when you will speak in front of mirror, then your mind will start providing words, and you will be totally free, you will feel good. Don't worry, you have to do this, then definitely you can improve your English language, and no one can stop you. And within some day you will notice that you are capable to speak English. Yes, my friends, only you have to do this, then definitely you can speak English fluently and confidently. And even if you don't have any practice partner, but you can improve your English language, because English comes to speak. But when you will describe daily different topic, then your mind will be ready to describe the words. Your mind will be ready to provide words meaning according to your need. So you have to do this. You have to try to describe daily different topic, and definitely your English will be super. Your English will be better, and you will be capable to speak English in front of person, among the people, and after that you will not fumble. So thank you so much.